Hi everybody, and in today's video I want to talk about how you can be your own hero in your life instead of watching other people and applauding other people. How can you be the hero in your life? So important. So make sure that you do hit that subscribe button because we're going to be sending a lot of videos with tips, tricks and techniques to ensure that you have your best life ever. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Okay, so back to the video. So look, I am a little bit confused and I'd be, happy to understand and learn. So comment below if you disagree with me about why people are so enamored with the lives of other people. I'm talking about celebrities, but I'm also talking about football and sports in general, but especially football. And especially, I guess, like celebrities like that aren't on the A list or B list or C list. So they haven't really achieved anything of great note, really, apart from being famous for being famous. So I would love to understand why people always have to read about other people and understand what's going on in their lives when I have so much going on in my own life. Building businesses, investing, charities, living my own life. And I'm just wondering, don't you want to be the hero in your own life? Don't you want that? So let me give you an example. So when, some people there, the football's on, they've got to watch the football, and it's just like, and do they play football? Some of them do, but some of them don't. So I really don't understand that. Why not, instead of, oh, well done, or even worse, criticizing them, oh, you can do that better, you can do that. Why don't you get a ball, go to the local, obviously not now, we're in lockdown, but go to the local park, get some friends, and get into a match, and be the hero, be the person that scores the goal, or be the hero that saves the goal, and isn't that much more juice? I mean, I'm just, please tell me if I'm wrong here, but go, so my sport was always tennis until I broke a toe. But tennis was always it for me, and literally I would feel like a gladiator walking out. This was just a normal game, and I wanted to beat that other person so badly. It was just like, down, smash, and it was especially when you're behind and then you fight back and then there's a great shot, and yes, or an ace or something like that, which made me feel so good about myself because it builds that confidence, and then you can kind of map that over, if you like, which is an NLP term, and map it over to other areas of your life. So if you're successful there, then you can say, well, use those attributes to be successful in business or investing or to be a parent or health or relationships, etc., and so forth. So would I go to Wimbledon? I have been to Wimbledon, I have watched a match. It's not like I don't, but it's not this obsession with other people and, oh look, isn't it great how they're doing in their life? Oh, isn't it great how they're achieving things? Oh look, they're earning millions of pounds, and I want to be that person. I want to be the hero in my own life, don't you? I want to be the person that is so successful and who's winning everything and who's making millions. Don't you want to be the hero in your own life? And by the way, if you've given up on that, then what about your children? Do you want them to just be happy, just like clapping for other people, as opposed to themselves putting themselves in that position and being the one that wins and has all the success and the feeling that goes with it, and that self-confidence and certainty and that feeling of achievement and fulfillment in their life? So it's a question as much as anything else. I don't really get the obsession. I get that good football or good tennis, but I don't really get the obsession. And by the way, at school I was the captain of my football team. At school I still, I think, hold the record for the 100 meters, maybe even the 200 and 400. The record for the most tries scored in a season, and also there was this cup, I can't remember, it was a fitness cup I won 2 years in a row or something. I don't know whether anybody's managed to achieve that. I'm sure they have, but what I'm saying is that don't you want to be that person? So tell me if I'm wrong. Please comment below, or do you agree, do you not? You know, I'm really interested in knowing, what is this obsession with other people as opposed to your own? You know, do you not trust yourself? Do you not want more? Anyway, I'll stop rambling. But does that give you something to think about? Maybe a discussion point together with your family. Maybe discuss it tonight or tomorrow around the dinner table with your family. And do make sure that you do hit that subscribe button, because I'm going to do it now, because I'm going to be sending you a lot of information and tips, tricks, and techniques over the next few weeks in order to make sure that you get rich content that you can really think about and take action on, and really elevate your life and that of your family. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. And if you did like this video, it would be amazing if you just hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it as well. So this is Marcus here, looking forward to sending you another video, so make sure you look out for that. And remember, always invest with passion and profit.